Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got that what?
That
That
weekly
weekly
heat.
heat, baby.
That weekly heat.
That weekly heat. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So I'm gonna go ahead and start it off. These are the shoes that are coming out from 12th through the 18th of May. Starting off on May 15th, we do have a Jordan 1 mid. It's called the North NYC. This shoe is for GS kids only. This does come at a price point of 125. So if you don't know about these shoes, it's supposed to be the NYC Subway. So the sock lining and the midsole boast multicolored specs, while the wings text appears on the back of the heel. Circles are made to look like subway signs, although most of the letters colors don't match the actual property in New York City. A Jumpman hang tag also special features packaging in the same colorway for to make this cohesive shoe. This shoe is a prompt given to 138 New York City students. Design a shoe centered around the role models. A namesake might suggest that the shoe pays homage to the MTA workers and the work that they did to keep the New York City and its people moving. This shoe is predominantly a gray. Its color, it comes in two tones of gray, dark and light. Mixed feelings about this shoe. I mean, I love it's a collaboration done with the local kids there in NYC. So for that, I am rocking these. But overall, this shoe is very simple and plain to me. It does have a reflective swoosh on the side, which we know doesn't do good. Around the midsole, we do have a white midsole with speckles in multiple colors. It does supposed to be tied in with the subways. So if you don't know, in New York City, they do have subway lines that are colored different colors, and this is supposed to represent, as we see the Wings logo on the back spelled out, and the different color represents each line of the subway. And it spells out Wings, and on the back of the tongue, we do see that it says thank you for all you do. This is just a very plain shoe to me. The bottom of the shoe is gray. It does come in a special box, which I do like, but we know we don't wear the boxes. So, but because of what it is, a special collaboration with these kids, I am rocking these. How about you, my brother?
Hey, like you mentioned earlier, it is a clean, simple shoe. I am a fan of the ones, but I like just the collab, the message behind this shoe. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you agree or disagree with what Jordan Brand doing with the collab. Working with the youth, and I'm a one fan. And with that message, hey, I am rocking those. I am rocking those. So drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. But with that message, I will be rocking those.
What we got next, my brother?
May 17th, Air Jordan 9. This is a golf shoe, the Barons. We all know Michael Jordan for a stint played some AAA ball. So this shoe here, this golf shoe, is just paying homage to his time when he was playing baseball. For those who didn't know, he chose 45 is because he didn't want his 23 to be worn because his father wouldn't get a chance to see him play baseball. So he didn't want to wear his, iconic number 23. So he went with the 45, which was his number in high school. Right now, Jordan Brand is making a huge push with this shoe, with the Jordan 9s. I mean, just in the past few months, they dropped several shoes, golf shoes, Jordan 9s. And but right now, what make this shoe stands out to me is what they did in the insole with the pinstripes with the 45. But then if you look on the heel of the shoe, they got that Roman style font 45. This is a clean golf shoe. That price point of 230 is pretty high up there. I can see this shoe sitting. Yeah. 230 for some golf shoes. I mean, I can see the shoe sitting, but hey, Jordan Brand is seeing something, with the golf shoes, and they using, the Jordan 9. So I mean, I can see this shoe. I ain't gonna say doing well, but it's a nice, clean shoe. But I can see this shoe sitting, right? But I will be rocking these shoes. I will be rocking these shoes because I just like the clean cut of the shoe. that black and white, is that typical color. So what about you, my brother?
So I am rocking these as well, only because of what it represents, Barons and 45 being that Michael Jordan wore that and while he's playing baseball. We do know that this looked like a reverse of the playoffs golf shoes that we did review. Check out that video right there. But these could also be called, look kind of like the Space Jams that are releasing also this weekend. So, hey, again, I am rocking these. Let me know in the comments, Nickheads, what your comments are down below. I am rocking these. So moving on, we do have the heavy hitter of the week dropping on the same day, May 17th, 2024. This is the Jordan 1 Low / collaboration with Travis Scott, OG, aka called the Elkins. Let me know if I'm pronouncing that wrong, but this shoe is inspired by Travis Scott's high school. And this is, I hate to say it, but this is the most ugliest color that I've seen so far. The reverse Laney's, he's kind of like looking like a poor man Laney. Cactus Jack logo on his scarecrow face on one of the heels. On the other heel, we do have that OG branding that we're accustomed seeing. G's. One thing I do like about the shoe, it does come with extra laces, and you can swap them out to make the shoe pop. You'll put in the yellows, but if you want that shoe to really pop off, then you'll put in those comments which one of those laces you like the best to set this shoe off. It does also come with a red pair of laces, and somebody will probably do those as well just to be different. But this shoe features buttery side panels as well as that toe box in a light cell colorway. On the tongue, we do see the regular Nike Air in red. I do think that's a nice touch. The insoles are very colorful. Again, one side has the Cactus Jack logo with the Nike Jumpman at the bottom. The other one has the scarecrow face with Nike Air in the middle. I can't see myself rocking those, but thing about these, my brother.
Hey, I agree with you, my brother. Hey, I don't understand where they were going with this shoe. Travis Scott, hey, this is getting a thumbs down. Thumbs down. I will not be rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those.
I just want to point out that we're not no hype beast. We be telling you the truth, whether it's good or bad. We know this is the hype release. We know that Travis Scott's be selling out. This one's probably going to sell out too. This is already going for over $1,000 in my size. But yeah, we're honest. You get an honest opinion. That's what you get. So go on and hit that subscribe button, sneakerheads. What we got next, my brother?
So the 18th, we do have those Air Jordan 11s, low Space Jam. This is a family size shoe. Men's size is 190. Grade school for those babies is 150. Kids, aka little kids, is 80. And then those toddlers is going for 60. This is a clean family size shoe. If you guys do remember the movie Space Jam that was released, it's a very clean shoe. I can see this shoe doing somewhat okay, but that price point for the men's, I can see this shoe sitting. But when you get down to the babies, aka toddlers, I can see this shoe doing somewhat decent, okay. But in saying all that, I will be rocking those. So like this is just a clean, simple shoe. What about you, my brother?
No.
No.
It's 72 and 10s. Only thing difference pretty much is that back and that bottom.
That's it.
Instead of you're gonna have that blue. But I'll go ahead and do a short on these. Some guys did tell me to go ahead, I should go ahead and cop the Space Jams, but do I really need them if I already have these? Let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads. Again, I am rocking these. Like my brother said, we don't know if these are going to do good or not. We know that Jordan 11 lows used to cost 180, and then now, they raise up the price to 190. My size 10, is going for 203, so not too much over retail value. So when shoes don't go over a lot on the retail value, they usually sit. So I do expect these to sit. So if you want these, they should be easy cop for you. Let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads, if you're rocking these, you're dropping these.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Preach.